So I'll be showing you how to block someone with your Nokia phone. Now this is a Nokia dumb phone. This is a Nokia 106. And the closest you can get to blocking someone is to add them to a screening list. Now, when you add someone to a screening list, it means when they call you or send you a message, your phone will not vibrate nor will it ring. Actually, it's only when you're holding the phone in your hand that you'll see someone is trying to call you, but it will not ring, it will not vibrate. And it's an easy way of basically ignoring calls instead of straight up just blocking someone. So to do this, go to menu and then go to contacts, select that. Under contacts, scroll all the way down to number screening, select that. You can see mine is empty because I haven't added anyone here. So what you want to do is press options and then select add number, and then add the number if you know the number offhand. Okay, if not, or if you've saved the number, just press search. It's going to open your phone book and you can select a specific number from a specific contact and then add their number by pressing OK. Now once that number has been added to the screening list, as you can see, whenever they call you, then your phone will not ring nor will it vibrate. And that's the closest you can get to blocking someone on your Nokia phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.